Teaching tip number 5, be your own student. Now this sounds crazy because how can you? Well, do you remember that filming that you just did of your class? Now it's your turn to be the student. Play the video and listen, or even if you've just recorded yourself teaching the class, listen to your cues and see if you can understand what it is that you said. You will very quickly be able to identify if you've missed out whole chunks of information. You can even ask somebody else to do the class and you observe them doing the class based on what you've said. So those are great ideas for you to help with your cueing, with your pacing, and also so that you can keep getting better and better at your actual class verbalization. Your voice is the most important thing for you as a teacher. The cues that you choose, the words matter. So the clearer you can be, the better.